In this project, I designed a custom pipe adapter for a blower fan. The fan I'm using blows air upward, so I created a chimney attachment that connects directly to it. The chimney has an angled edge, making it easy to slide in and lock securely in place. The system is simple to use. The blower comes with a speed controller, so you can easily adjust the airflow depending on your needs. For the outlet side, I designed a rotating window connector. It allows you to quickly open a window and connect the pipe for external ventilation. If you don't have access to a window, you can switch to a filter module instead. Just remove the chimney and attach the filter in the same way. Slide it in and lock it. Inside the filter module, there's a replaceable filter element. Along with activated carbon. The carbon helps absorb smoke, odors, and harmful particles. Assembly is straightforward. Fill the chamber with carbon. Insert the mesh. Place the filter. And close the unit. Once everything is connected, turn on the blower, and you can see how efficiently it pulls in smoke.